welcome our director, Dexter Martinez Santos.
Good evening everybody. Magandang gabi po sa pagpunta nyo dito sa amin sa bayan, sa barangay ng parokya. Thank you for supporting another new original Filipino musical from Newport World Resorts. Maraming salamat po. Since it's a special night, please allow me to call the members of the creative team, starting with our sounds designer, RV Makulangan. Our hair and makeup designer, Johan De La Fuente. Our lights designer, Meliton Rojas. Our costume designer, Raven Ong, is in Connecticut. She will be represented by her assistant, costume designer, Hershey Tantiado. Our video designers, Gafal Yarme and Joyce Garcia. Our scene designer, Lawing Cruz. Our choreographer, Steven Viñas. Our musical director and arranger, EJ Yatko. Our playwright, Roddy Vera. Of course, big help from our artistic directors, Michael Williams and Menchu Lauchenko Yulo, who's also our associate director. Allow me to also call everybody, pag nakita po ninyo, ganyan po kadami yung tao dito sa stage, pero mas marami po ang nasa loob. So please, allow me to call on the whole Barangay Parokya, off stage, backstage, come. So coming from the set changers, our SM team, our makeup team, everybody, the puppeteers, everything, the lights, the riggers, the flyman, everything. Ito po ang barangay. Hindi pa po kasama ang barangay from the publicity, from the marketing, from the sponsorship, the NPAC team, the technical team. We have the students na nag-OJT from College of St. Benilde. Yan, mga kaibigan, ito po ang Barangay Parokya. We're very fortunate and very lucky that we have companies that support the Filipino theater artists. Isa pong malaking sugal, pun intended, ang isang produksyon na ito at hindi po biro ang binigay na suporta at pagmamahal. Ladies and gentlemen, the President and CEO of Newport World Resorts, Mr. Kingson Sian.
Good evening. Thank you so much for coming tonight. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Without your support, we cannot do what we love to do, which is produce original, world-class Filipino musical for the Filipino audience. Maraming salamat po. This is our 10th production in the last 15 years, no? And we don't have to do this, but we want to do it because we want to use this stage to tell our story, share our music, and feature this great talent. In 2017, we decided that wala na. We will only do original Filipino musical. So we started with Bituing Walang Ningning, followed by Ang Huling El Bimbo, and now Burugudoy Stun Sugudun Story. Tama sabi ni Direk, malaking sugal ho to. This is our most expensive musical to date. And makita naman nyo sa everything, costume, set, the graphics, no? We spare no expense because Filipino audience deserve the best. Gusto namin pakita na kung kaya nila sa Broadway, kaya rin natin dito sa Newport. I'd like to acknowledge our team, the production team who put this together, headed by our head of entertainment, Ana Chua, and her team, sponsorship, and Pati Pagbenta. Thank you to all the sponsors and the buyers. I'd like to also, of course, acknowledge yung creative team, headed by our co-artistic directors, si Menchu and si Michael, of course si Dexter. They assembled a fascinating, amazing team. And I have profound respect for all of them. Lahat sila, triple threat. Kailangan sumayaw, kailangan mag-act, at kailangan kumanta. No, lahat sila. So, thank you, guys. I also want to take this opportunity to thank our founder, Chief Inspiration Officer, Dr. Andrew Tan, our chairman, Mr. Kevin Tan, for all the support. At palaging sinasabi sa amin, let's showcase the best of the Philippines. No?